I'm 8 months into converting my van for under £10,000. Here's what I've done and how much I've spent so far. I stripped out and cleaned the van from top to bottom. It was pretty disgusting. I then got onto removing rust and protecting with red oxide. This whole prep stage cost me £112. I then installed my windows with a jigsaw, and this cost me £360 for all three. This was very scary to do. I then got onto the wood framing and installation of the floor and the walls. The wood and installation for this came to around £250. I'd say this stage took the longest just to make sure it stayed nice and warm in winter. I then stripped out and terminated the cables that weren't being used. It was then on to installing my Max Air fan, which was a big purchase at £315. This was a very long 5 hours on top of my van. The biggest yet the most important cost so far is the electrics. This totals £3,400. This includes everything from the cables, solar panels, Victron parts and the battery itself. I knew I wanted to invest my money into getting a good electrical setup, so I've gone fully electric and gas free. This was a massive learning curve as well. Next, I installed my ceiling, which I think looked amazing. These were kindly gifted to me and were very easy to install. A small change I'd done was changing the seats from this to this, which I think looked so good. This was only £50. Next up was the flooring, which I chose a herringbone design for. This was a bargain and I picked it up for £80 off Facebook Marketplace. I really enjoyed the install of this and was really straightforward. Then I ordered my kitchen off IKEA, which came to £480. I chose this out of ease and I wanted the home from home finish. This was one of my best decisions and I think it looks so good in the van. It's got loads of useful drawers and loads of cupboard space for my fridge, my air fryer and my water tanks. The blue is just the protective film, it will be white. Next up was installing the walls, which were kindly gifted to me as well. And that leads me on to the latest thing I'm working on, which is installing my diesel heater. All in all, I've spent £9,700. I do see it going over by roughly £1,000, but it's going to be 100% worth it.